Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to take these rails that came off of a day bed that my daughter was throwing away, and I'm going to create a blanket ladder. Yes, I'm using items I already had. So right here, I'm going to cut the ends off of each piece of wood. I've already measured it, the height that I want, and my husband gonna cut the ends off of each piece of the wood. And so that's what we're doing right here. So this video is in participation with Yummy, the Latino next door. She puts on a challenge monthly that's called the Look for Less challenge, where you find a item that is out of your price range and you try to recreate it. So I found some ladders, blanket ladders online that range anywhere from $39 to $140 some, and I'm just going to create one for free. So yes, that's what I'll be doing in this video. And she has a different co-host, and for this month she has Courtney from Creative on the Cheap, and I have both of these ladies channels linked in the description box, and I will also have a link to the playlist. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in this video. And you know my channel is budget friendly, so if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. My channel focuses on budget friendly content like this, and so that's what I'll be doing here on this channel. If you like budget friendly content, go ahead and click that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. Right now I'm uploading every day in April for the veda, VEDA video every day in April. So that's what I'll be doing. I cut the pieces in the middle about 16 inches. So I just kind of eyeballed it and just looked at how tall I wanted the ladder to be. And these are my pieces. So I'm gonna go inside and nail them together. Okay, so right here I'm gluing the pieces together so that they can adhere to each sides and let those dry, and then my husband will come behind and put some nails in it. I went to Lowe's to pick up me a nail gun, powered nail gun, but the young man let me know that I would need a air compressor also. So that idea failed. And then I picked up some liquid nails. That did not work. So this was my last idea, just to glue the wood down with the hot glue, just to hold the pieces together, and then he can come back and nail them. So I wanted the pieces to be at a slanted, at an angle, and that's how I have them here. So he said gluing the wood together actually helped a lot, because it was hard for me to hold it while he nailed it. The ladder, after I've glued it all together, we haven't we nailed the top piece of wood, but we haven't nailed the last two. So you can see that glue right there. That's okay. So I want to go ahead and thank Yummy and Courtney for hosting this challenge. You know, I always participate in this challenge because I love to save money. this is my husband. We doing it the old-fashioned way. Hammer and nails. Since my other ideas failed. So when you're doing a DIY project, don't let one thing deter you from finishing your project. This is my blanket ladder that I created using some side rails from an old day bed. So this is it. I love the way it turned out. Yes, I like that I have the little shelves or slanted. I like that look. So this is it. It's gonna conclude this video. This is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.